There is rapidly increasing interest in the use of recycled plastics by manufacturers, consumers, and retailers alike. Although recycling is green, it may not be chemically clean. To date, verifiable methods to confirm claims of recycled content or the safety of recycled plastics have been elusive or prohibitively expensive. In order to address these issues, new technologies and methods are needed to ensure that verified safe products are routinely available to the consumer. Consumer acceptance is critical for the success of any product. Driven by events like the recent BPA scare and widespread toxicity reports, such as excessive lead content in products imported from China, consumer awareness of chemical contamination is at an all-time high. The consumer's concern is genuine, yet the trade-off between their desire to purchase products that are green, yet also clean, leaves the consumer and industry in general in a state of discomfort and confusion. This confusion drives most consumers to play it safe, literally, and to shy away from purchasing recycled, possibly contaminated products. In addition, recent media reports are fanning the flames of concern. Although farmers, food processors, and retailers are center stage in this perplexing situation, other industries producing household goods, such as carpet, clothing, and toys, also need to balance the act of being green with the need to ensure that their products are both safe and clean. In a perfect world, certifying that the end products are clean would support the cost savings associated with using recycled plastics. This is why the ability to verifiably certify that all recycled plastic products are both clean and green is the next holy grail. Unfortunately, testing plastics for contamination is only possible in a batch process, in which only one item at a time, say a single water bottle, is tested. In addition, the cost of a single test can be excessive and does not represent the process as a whole, until now. Enter V-Laboratories, the leader in continuous economical contamination monitoring. Developed in just under 3 years by pioneering university researchers in the fields of plastics, chemistry, statistics, and computer science, V-Lab's patent-pending breakthrough technology allows for 24/7 monitoring of an entire production line for contamination, automatically, continuously, effortlessly. An industry first. Fear of liability from unsafe products? Gone. Product recalls? Gone. Sleepless nights? Gone. Third-party independent certification? You bet. V-Labs. Here's how it works. Utilizing V-Lab's latest Generation 2 monitoring system, recycled plastic flake is analyzed for contamination just upstream of the production line extruder. Using an array of chemical sensors and proprietary technology exclusive to V-Labs, the Gen 2 system is able to determine if the current production flow would pass the standard Code of Federal Regulations multi-day chemical contamination test without actually performing the test. If the system detects that the current flow is contaminated, key personnel are alerted by email, text messages, and audible and visual alarms, and the material is diverted from production. Production continues without delay as another batch of recycled plastic, one that tests clean, enters the production line. No substandard plastic is produced, none. Meanwhile, a sample of the diverted plastic is subjected to V-Lab's state-of-the-art contamination analysis, which employs the latest technology such as spectroscopy, differential scanning colorimetry, and gel permeation chromatography. This battery of tests identifies the specific type of contamination, compound by compound, for traceability and the assessment of risk. Collectively, these tests are far more informative than the prohibitively expensive industry standard Code of Federal Regulations test. Here's a look at spectroscopy results. If the spectroscopy analysis indicates that the contamination is substantial, then the plastic can be blended with virgin plastic in order to dilute the contamination to levels well below federal guidelines. Or it can be diverted to packaging for, say, electronics, where human consumption is not a concern. The entire Gen 2 contamination monitoring system installs easily in only 2 hours, needs only 110-volt AC power, and can run for over 4 hours in the event of a power loss. It communicates wirelessly via high-level 2048-bit encrypted Wi-Fi to an off-site server, allowing select plant operators, plant managers, and C-level executives to monitor the entire production line 24/7 via secure web pages. An intuitive report generator provides immediate historical reporting over any time span. Additionally, executives can request that secure web pages be supplied to a select group of customers in order to assure them that the products that they are purchasing are third-party certified as being clean. By default, the secure web page monitors contamination over the previous 24 hours. But by adjusting the view, the graphical information can be magnified to inspect even shorter time periods. In addition, 2 easy-to-read dials indicate at a glance the current level of contamination and the associated directional trend. The web page easily generates monitoring reports for any specific time frame and automatically sends summary reports every 24 hours to select personnel. By using the Gen 2 system, each new batch of recycled plastic flake can be monitored for contamination levels at the time it enters the extrusion process, ensuring that the entire manufacturing process is clean, while at the same time being green. Careful testing of recycled plastic indicates a manufacturer's commitment to quality, as well as insurance against potential legal claims. By instituting a V-Laboratories monitoring system, manufacturers gain competitive advantage by detecting and diverting contaminated recycled plastic from production, identifying the cleanest suppliers of recycled plastic, minimizing the risk of litigation from producing contaminated products, enhancing a company's brand and reputation as it delivers monitored, tested, and federally compliant plastic that is both clean and green, which makes being a leader in both environmental awareness and consumer safety a reality. Contact V-Laboratories for more information.